Hey guys, how to see past stories on Instagram. So open your Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right, and then scroll through the story highlights. Right, you can just go ahead and click the plus button right here, right next to the highlight. They're basically gonna see your previous stories on Instagram. If you want to see your past stories that are not highlights, just tap the three horizontal line at the top right, and then go to the settings, account, your activity, and then archive, and select the stories archive. If you want me to show it to you, go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right, go to archive. You're gonna see your story archive, or you can click the stories archive at the top and then see posts or live if you made one. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.